What if I told you that you could change your iPhone's color under $5? So I have a couple of iPhone 6s and iPhone 6s's. Here's another one. All of them are black. And I want one of them to be white. You might be saying that, yeah, you can just get a new screen like this and you're gonna have a white iPhone. But we're not gonna do that because the screens cost a lot of money. Not this one, this is absolutely smashed. Screens cost a lot of money, and I want to do all that without buying a new screen. Well, I found something, and those are screen protectors. You can literally go ahead and buy a white screen protector and apply it. But that is not all, because this thing has white bezels, and the black home button wouldn't match. It will look out of place. So I bought something else as well. This is what I bought. This thing literally cost me $1.50 on AliExpress. The screen protectors were $2 each. One is a glass one and one's a plastic one. And I'll explain why we need two of them. But you might be thinking, yeah, I mean, anyone could apply a screen protector and the home button isn't there. I can change it. Well, there's so much more to come. You absolutely gotta stay till the end. Let's bust out some tools and install the home button. Alright, so we're going to disconnect the battery, and we're going to remove the screen. Now, let's remove the home button. So this is the old home button. If you replace the original home button, you will lose Touch ID. I don't care about that, but if you do care about that, well, you're gonna need to take care of that. So let's bust out our new home button. Looks as good as ever. So we're just gonna yank it in there. And now let's install it back together. And you're also going to plug in the battery. Alright, and our phone, well, it does work. And that is it. So now let's actually apply the screen protector. Alright, so I have some opinions about this. First off, it doesn't look good.
Brother,
This is how white iPhone is supposed to look. Look how white this looks. This looks like it's been durability tested by jailbreak everything. Actually, this looks like that, but like, this just looks terrifying. Look how nice this looks. It's got some personality, a nice little face like that, right? This looks awful. I have one thing though. I printed out this iPhone 6 and I'm just gonna cut this thing out and put it under here. Now that will book the functionality of the ambient light sensors and the USB speaker, but that really just doesn't matter. In my case, I don't use this phone. Let's actually go ahead and like cut this thing out. Yep, this is an exact replica. So what I can do is take this out and slide. You can actually do this if you want to. Well, it doesn't look that good. So that is exactly why I bought another screen protector. Alright, so let's apply. I think it just looks much better this way. Much closer to what a real deal could have looked like. But like, yeah, we still have those like black borders around here. It doesn't look OEM, and yeah, you're probably right. So that's why I also got a case for it. Alright. This is a sub 50-cent case right there. It's going to cover the bezels. It didn't. check this out. This is an Apple original. It's a replica, but it still has a design of an Apple original case. No, it's not brand new, it's used. By who? By me. Alright, so let's put it in. Oh wait, let's remove the 50-cent case. And put it in the black. Okay.
And there you have it. This iPhone 6s, once black, is now white, all without buying expensive parts. If you want to try this on newer iPhones, you can grab colored backglass protectors since most screens are black anyway, or just throw on a case. Honestly, this turned out almost OEM looking, even compared to other white iPhones. I think it looks great, and if you agree, I've got tons of similarly interesting videos coming up, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. And with that, you've been watching MacVerse, and I'll see you around.